Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or hide border from a circle using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a circle, I'll hide this border from a circle. First select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Now select your circle and here you will find this circle color option. Now click this gear icon and now select appearance option and simply select here no border as a circle border no gone. Now you can say fill color, okay, and also I'll select this one and click this color option and select gear icon and select the style option no border and select ok and see this circle there is no border. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.